Hey fam, we back. Today we got my boy Darius in the chair, and now today we doing a hot tape on him. Now we finna get started into this taper though, y'all. We got I got my new blade now. We can finally, actually just cut, how we want to now, and we finna make a banger for y'all on this one. Hey, if you're new, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell notification while you're at it, gang. I'll be back to y'all once we start this fade. And now we're going in with our Wahl Seniors lever open. Now, when you go in, make sure you make it a good fingers width. So therefore, you have a good sight of how much you have taken off. And make sure you're using the corner of your blade to control how much hair you also take off as well. And now we're going one guard open, and now we're gonna start our fade down process. We're gonna put that lever halfway. To take effect. And now we're going in lever open, and just open up that lever as you go a bit with your fade, and make sure you use your corners to detail after you complete this step. Same steps for the back taper. So on this taper I sped it up. So yeah, if you want to just hear the steps, just go back and just watch over it again, and figure out what you need to work on. See if you actually are doing it alongside while watching. But yeah, just go back and figure out what you need to work on if you see anything wrong with your fade. neckline up. Now, the way I do the neckline up is I start from the straightaway at the bottom, then I work myself up to the roundabout. If it's your own preference to how you do it, but just figure out your own personal system to it. Now for lineup prep, we use alcohol to clean the hair and skin. And we use hold-in spray to lock in those hairs to lay them down. And now we're going to start in the middle of the line to line him up. And just commit yourself onto their left or right side. It doesn't matter which side you choose. It can be your own personal preference. Excuse my shoulder. But that's the lineup for his left side, y'all. I couldn't hit the vertical bar, so we just gonna 3, 2, 1. We're just gonna do it that way. As much as needed towards whoever you're cutting or yourself, but just don't what's the word, drown it with enhancements. Don't drown the cut with enhancements. It's best if it's a light amount. And ladies and gentlemen, if you ain't liked the video yet, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for me and for my boy Darius. Look how fresh my boy is. Like, you gotta like that. You gotta like the hair. You gotta like the haircut. Cause ain't no way you don't like the haircut right now. Like the video game and subscribe. Going in with our brown magic pencil. Now, I personally apply them to vertical bars and C-cups only because that's my personal trademark on the cut. Now, you can create your own personal trademark, whatever that may be. Just not this one, though. I'll just let you know. But, this is something, you can do on the cut, just to, jazz or just add your own personal touch to it. But yeah, we sprayed the Got to Be Holding spray again over the enhancements and magic pencil to lock everything in, and we just brushed that forehead to get all the glue off of it, and then we locked that in with line up one more time, and we razor it up. Actually give it a like down below, cause this angle right here tough as ever. Look at that lineup, y'all. And mind you, we ain't even razor it yet. We just doing the eyebrows, right now. Like, hold on, we just gonna wait till my hand get out the way. Look at the taper, bruh. Look at the taper, fam. The MVP of this video is actually Darius, because without him, we wouldn't have had this video. I'ma just be real, gang. We wouldn't have had him. So, hey, everybody, we got a comment, something down for Darius in the comment section. And now we're commencing our razor work. And this will pretty much, top that haircut off. And we'll hit him with that aftershave and, oil sheen. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you DB4. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the after. Hey family, if you like this haircut, like the video, subscribe and click that bell notification. Triiipleooo.